One of my favorite things to do and to relax and to get my math skills, basic math skills flowing is to play a game of KenKen. So in front of you, you will see a 6x6 board. It's like Sudoku, except you have math involved. So first thing we're going to do, if we're going to write down our possible notes, green is highlighted, means I'm looking for the select squares and enter possible notes. So first I have these two squares add up to 9. So I can use 3 and 6 possible choice and 4 and 5. These two cells add up to 8. My choices can be 2 and 6 or 3 and 5. Like Sudoku, I cannot repeat 4 and there's no 1. I'm going to use 1, I need 7. These two cells here add up to 7. 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4. These two cells here add up to 4. To 5. 1 and 4, 2 and 3. These two cells add up to 7. That's 1 and 6, 2 and 5, and 3 and 4. These two cells here add up to 3. Add up to 4 again, 1 and 3. These two cells add up to 10. That is 4 and 6. These two cells add up to 11. That's 5 and 6. These three cells add up to 10, so I have to use all choices because we do not know what the combination will be. These two cells add up to 3. That's 1 and 2. These two cells add up to 3. Choices are still 1 and 2. These two cells add up to 10. Choices are 4 and 6. These two cells add up to 11. Choices are 5 and 6. These two cells add up to 8. Choices are 2 and 6 and 3 and 5. These two cells add up to 3. Choices are 1 and 2. I have one more cell. These two cells add up to 6. That's 1 and 5 and 2 and 4. I have 3 cells that is numbers by itself. Since there's no plus or minus sign behind it, this is 5 here, this is 4 here, and this is 2 here. So let's eliminate some choices, okay? Let's start with that first. We're going to start with this column, column 1. We have a 5 here. So we're going to eliminate all the 5s on this row because 5 cannot repeat. Let's start with this cell here with 9. If 5 is gone, then that means 4 is out because 9 minus 5 is 4. It's right here, right here. We're doing 6 now. Sum of 6 is 5 is gone, then that means 1 must go as well. We're still on this row, column right here. We have 4 and 2 here. 4 and 2 are being used. 2 cannot be here. So we're going to put 1 here. This one got to be 1 because 2 is being used here. If 1 is here and 1 and 2 are the only choices here, the other choice got to be 2. Back with on column 2 now. If 2 is here and 1 and 2 my choices are here, then this choice must be 1. If 1 is here and 1 and 2 is right here, only choice this can be must be 2. Now, I'm on my 5th row. Notice that I have 4 and 6 with the 10. And I have 4 and 6 here. I must eliminate 4 and 6 here and 1 and 2 here. My 5's already been used. So only choice is 3. Now, see this 10 here? The sum must be 7. These 2 here must equal to 7. Okay? Let's see what we got here. I am on the last row. Well, 1 and 2 is here. 1 and 2 is here, then these 2 here. 1 and 2 is out. 5 and 6 is here. Well, that's the case here. 5 and 6 is out. Remember I told you, I said numbers cannot repeat. If 3 is here, then this is 4 and this is 3. And 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals 10. Okay. We did some math there. We're basically going to do some elimination. Okay. So, the bottom 2 rows are almost finished. We're not going to touch those anymore. We're going to go to column 4. And let's use our red this time. Impossible choices, okay? Here we go. I'm on the 4th column. If 1 and 2 is here, then that means 2 is out here. 2 cannot be a choice. That means 1 cannot be a choice here. Now, with that in mind, let's go back to our green, because I like using green better. We're going to take out the 2's here and take out the 1 there. Okay. I like to stay positive. Now I'm on the 3rd row. I have my 2 right here. This is a 2 right here. If I have a 2 here, and I have a 4 and 2 here, this one here can only be 4. I have a 2 here, and I have a 1 and 2 here. My only choice left, it must be 1 here. I have a 1 here and a 1 and 2 here. 1 is already here. Only choice left for this to be is 2. Let's go back to our 3rd row. I have a 4 here. My 4 has already been used, so only choice left here is 6. I have a 5 and 6 here. My 6 already been used. Only choice left here is 5. I have a 1 here, and I have a 1 and 3 here. The only choice left here is my 3. I have a 3 and 1 here. 3 has already been used. Only choice left here is 1. Let's go to my 4th row. Here, I'm on my 4th row. 4th row, 1st column. I have a 4 here. 4 and 2 is here. 4 has been used. Only thing left is 2. I am on my 4th row, 2nd column. 6 has been used. I have 2 choices, 4 and 6. If 6 has been used, this left is 4. On my 3rd row, 3rd column, 5 has been used here. But on my 4th row, 3rd column, I got 5 and 6. So 5 already been used, 6 is out of the way. Now, this column has all but one number, and that is 1. So if 1 is not there, should 1. This sum here adds up to 7. If 1 is being used, 7 minus 1 gives me 6. So this got to be 6. This column here has only one number. It has not been used, and that's 5. If these 2 cells add up to 8, if 5 is being used, 8 minus 5 gives me 3. Now, I am on these 2 cells here. These 2 cells here add up to 2 and 3 has already been used, so I can eliminate 2 and 3. And luckily for us, 1 and 4 adds up to 5. Now, if 1 and 4 is used, and there's 4 here, then this one left is 6. These 2 cells add up to 10. One cell has a 6 in it. The other cell has a 4 and 6. We're going to use that 4. These 2 cells add up to 11. This cell is 6. Well, this cell cannot be 6, it must be 5. If this cell is 5, and this cell has a choice of 5 and 6, and this cell is 6. Now, we have 4 numbers here. We got 2 and 6 is not there because 3 and 5 is left. We have 6 numbers here, so we're going to knock out 1 and 6 is gone. 3 and 4 is, 6 is gone. That's 1. 3 and 4 is gone. Okay. And we're going to go across. We notice this. Looking at this column, this row right here. Notice that it's only 1 6 in this row right here. In the second row, first column, which is right here. So we can put a 6 there. If this is 6, these two sums add up to 9. One square has one cell is 6, the other cell must be 3. These two cells add up to 8. This is 5 and 3. If this one is 3, then this one must be 5. These two cells add up to 8. If these two cells add up to 8, one cell is 5, and this one is 5 and 3. The choice must be 3. Now, this cell has 1 and 4. However, 1 is already here, so that must be 4. This cell has 1 and 4 as well, but above it is 4, so this one must be 1. This cell has 2 and 5. There's a 2 already here, so this must be 5. This cell has 2 and 5, but 5 is already here. This must be 2.